Greetings hobbyists, this is Artisans of Vol, and in this video we're having a look at nSolve's Collapse tool. So we'll continue looking at this complex cylinder to have a look at the Collapse tool. So if we select this, the way this works effectively is that it is like a merge by distance, except you get to control the distance really nice and visually, and you get to control which vertices are involved. So for example, if I was to come here and we wanted to fix some of these issues, and there are a number of them on this demo file quite intentionally, I could try and solve some of them using merge by distance. So I'll just A, M, and then merge by distance, and then I can come here and start increasing the distance. Let's do that until we get rid of them, but you'll notice at this point we're starting to get these collapse, and we have no control over which one it collapses to. For example, here, as it collapses, this vertex that was here has moved all the way over here, ruining the shape of this circle, and we don't want that. We wanted this vertex to move to this one. So we lack some control with the merge tool, and it's affecting everything simultaneously. The way the collapse function works is that you click on a vertex, drag out, and anything within that circle will collapse into or merge to the one that was originally selected. So for example, here, with all of this complex nonsense going on that we don't really want, I can just simply go there and quite visually see which one's going to collapse to where, and then do the same thing here. Or if I wanted to, I could have done it from the other one, but that's probably not going to work out as good. Now for lots of spaces, for example here, this just gives a really quick way of just dragging things. For example, we don't want either of those, so I can just drag it to the point where it selects both of them and move it. That one I can just drag to there. Each time I'm getting to control what goes where. So for example here, not that we'd actually want to collapse these, but I could select, well, I want both of these to go to that one, or I want them both to go to this one, or I want them both to go to this one. It's a very, very elegant method of controlling all of these vertices and the way they're going to collapse and what they're centered around. I'm a huge fan of this. I think it's a really, really good tool with a lot of well-designed control. And if you do ever get to the point where you're going to hit something where you do have more vertices than you want to actually connect with, I'm trying to find an example, but there isn't really a good one. Maybe here, because I want to select all of these and merge them together, but they're going to be too far away because if I select this one, it's going to start hitting the others. That's where we start using other tools in nSolve, for example, the Dissolve tool. And as if by a magic coincidence, that's going to be the tool we're going to look at in the next video in this series. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell button so you know when that's out. Or if you're very impatient and want that straight away, these videos are always a week ahead of time and ad-free on the Patreon. Have a great day, guys.